So I'm going to teach you how to open an orange because everybody does it wrong. Everybody does it wrong. They're all like trying to get at it there. Have you ever like been trying to do that and then you get like a piece of orange stuck way up in your nail and sometimes it peels it back a little bit and you get a little stinging sensation in there? Don't do that. This is how you do it. Get yourself a dull knife like a butter knife and just create a little circle around it. And it's safe. You're not cutting yourself with a butter knife, right? But it's sharp enough to get into the skin there. And then look, watch. Oh, look at that. It just comes right off. Who would have thought? Boom. Look, even the top part just comes right out. You know? Easy peasy, man. Look how easy that's coming off. Like nothing. It's like butter. Easy. Easy, easy. Most of the time I see people do oranges, they like take off the top pit and they just try to get in there. Oh, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 3 times or whatever, you're gonna hurt yourself. You know, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself, man. And then there you go. And we got our orange. It's ready to go. Got this top part pulled out. And then you open it like this. See that? You open it like that. Huh. And you got yourself a nice orange to eat. A nice, nice orange. And it's right there. You didn't hurt yourself. Everything was fine. All right, you're welcome.
That's weird.
It's like the walls are keeping us out.
Yeah.
Know what I mean?
Kind of.
We all live in our own prisons, Brendan.
Yeah.
I mean, we're all trapped in these bodies.
Yeah.
You have to go to school, that's
a
prison.
It's a prison.
I have to be a soccer coach.
It's a prison. It's conversation.
It's a prison.
It's a prison. Can't get out of it.
Ooh, baby, here we go.